I saw a hairstyle on YouTube and I figured I want to try it. I didn't show you guys the process of trying it because if I failed at it, I don't want to be the girl that recorded the whole thing and ended up with crazy looking hair. So we are going to take it down. She said if you're going to take it down, don't take it out in ringlets, just pull it out like this and let it do its thing. So like that. I really hope this. Okay, bear with me, okay? Bear with me. I'm freaking out a bit. I hope it looks exactly how I'm thinking it's gonna look because I left these in my hair overnight. I did a wash, a blowout, flat iron, and while I was flat ironing my hair, I curled the ends of it a little bit all in the same direction before I did the roller sets, the perm sets, whatever these rods are called, the perm rods. Before I did the perm rods, I curled the ends a little bit. After my hair was done, I went in and put these perm rods in according to how she said to put them in. She said it was okay if your roots were a bit lifted because something. Okay, this last one is one that needs to go on this side of my head because it is a side part and my hair like tangled in this product. Okay, I got everything out. This is what it looks like. Before we comb it out, I want to go ahead and set it in place. This is a finishing spray. It's hard to hold ion finishing spray. Okay, hopefully it's not too wet. I'm gonna hold it away from my hair and just might as well add some to my face to keep my makeup in place. Okay, gonna give it a second to dry down. Okay, this goes in the back. You can see my line. I hope you can see my line. These guys come to the side like so. So I'm gonna put it here. And these guys all fall on this other side. Or maybe I'll start with the back. I'll start combing it out with a wide tooth comb. It's curly, honey. It's curly. Oh, wait, which way does it go? I feel like it goes this way. Oh no, it comes in. Okay, I'll figure that out. It's supposed to wrap around my hand. Okay, let's comb this side out. Okay, she said to hold the end. You can comb it around your hair like this. That way the curls can form. I'm trying to decide on my permanent hairstyle. And I want that 50s. Is it 50s look? Oh my god, this is pretty. We're gonna keep combing. Oh, I think once the paddle brush comes in, I don't have a paddle brush. I have a tangle teaser. Once the tangle teaser comes in, I'm hoping that the curls will form even better. And this guy comes off to this side, like so. I look like Aunt Viv, right? It's given Aunt Viv, which is okay. That's okay, Aunt Viv, you're gorgeous. So that's okay. Taking a smaller brush, smaller comb. And what she does when she combs it is she like kind of follows through with her hand to try to get all the curls to stay together. Ooh, okay, you see this, right? Like it's working. It's working a little bit. Hello? Yeah, I have too much hair. Okay, so the lady who did it, she has very flat hair at the top. So she said that might be the reason for she needed to go ahead and okay, next we're going in. I'm supposed to use a what is it called? A bristle brush to get the curls to come together. But I'm using my tangle teaser because I personally don't have a bristle brush. It's my husband's and I don't want to take it and not be able to remember where it's supposed to go. The back curls are supposed to fold on the inside, so I'm holding them and just combing it around my thumb so that they can curl. It's all a matter of... Oh my god, it's so cute! Okay, if you want more volume, I think you don't have to like comb the curls together, but I'm gonna do it the first time the way that she did it, and then we'll see where it goes from here, okay? Now this, I think I put smooth, baby, smooth. Okay, now I have to comb these out. Come on, honey, you can get together, Okay, the tangle piece is nice, but the bristles are entirely too soft. I'm going in with a denim brush. A denim brush? A denim brush. Denim. I'm messing it up. I'm messing it up. Okay, I want a bit of a swoop, so I'm gonna hold it, and I don't have a hair clip around me right now, so we're just gonna wait for it to do its thing. I'm gonna wait for it to dry down, and then we'll go on to combing out this side. Okay, this is not bad. This is not bad for the finishing touches, okay? I don't know if I'm gonna leave the curls the way they are, or if I am going to do something else with them.
På rösten att du hade någonting att säga mig om. Du bara visat och stopp. Varför behövde du så lång tid? Och vad var det du kände då? Jag bryr mig för mycket om vad som har hänt. Det är inte likt mig. Det blir så tydligt att jag trillar dit. Om det är bara du som kan få mig sån. Få mig sån, få mig sån.
Fried udon noodles. Up to level 5.
That's the one that was yummy, not the grown-up one.
And which one was it?
It was just the kids' fried rice with the chicken.
So was it this one?
Yeah, with the chicken. Yes, that one.
Okay. I'll get the 3 of it with chicken.
Oh, W, I got hit. No hamemo. I got hit pizza hamemo.
Spice. Thank you. Yeah. Olena need this.
Meaning, oh my god. I had to go get a hairpin, put it in, and spray it one more time to hold this little soupy I got going on over here. It's very cute. My roots are very natural, so it's definitely going to stand up and stay in place. Did I achieve it? And curled up. I love this. Did I achieve it? Let me know. I wish my bow would stand up. I got these bows from Zara. They're very loosey goosey. They're not standing up as much as I thought they would, but